So hey guys, welcome back. So this I'm on this trade on Euro USD. Actually, this trade is a very banger trade. I feel like it's gonna go very far. I entered on the 5 minute time frame though. Yeah, I entered on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, this was the candle I entered on. This was the supply. Let me off my imbalance candles. Yeah, this was the supply. I just went to the 15 minutes. I just drew the 15 minutes supply. Sorry, supply zone also. I saw it tapped. I went on the 30 minutes. I drew the 30 minutes also, and I saw it tapped too. So the multi kind of multi time frame, yeah, stuff. So and also this time consolidating. This pair has been consolidating right here. It had a big push downward, so I'm expecting a good feel of this imbalance somewhere here, somewhere here. Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But on the 1 hour, let's see. Yeah, in the 1 hour we have here just to feel this imbalance. Now we're gonna check to this side. Yeah, this imbalance has been filled. You can see here this imbalance, this long imbalance here. You're seeing them. Yeah, it has been filled by this one. It taps this one and tap this one. This one actually went very close. So few pips. No- Nothing to complain about. Yeah. Then this is the first trade I mean actually. Real USD. We bought that here. These are still take profit 1:6. So we move to our next trade. On this GBP card trade, I have yes I had an analysis on GBP card. That GBP card filled the imbalance we had on the 4 hour time frame. That's the this one I'm actually scared of it 4 hour time frame. I think I entered too early. Yeah, I feel I entered too early on the 4 hour time frame since there is no demand zone actually here, but on the 1 hour time frame there is a demand zone. So if I get stopped out, I think I'm gonna re-enter at this 4 hours yeah 4 hours what is it called supply, or should I just leave now? Should I leave now? Let me see price. Yeah, I think I should leave now. Price came tested. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Come on, get out of this trade now. 1 second. Yeah. So I just left my GP card trade. I feel like it's gonna start reversing, and I'm gonna wait till it comes to this place here at the top here, on which is the 4 hour demand. Then when it goes there, I'm gonna have a good shorting mentality or a good shorting position to this liquidity here, because I'm not really sure about this one. What's going on here? You know? Yeah, I feel like it's actually reacting to this support right here. So it's having support and also, oh, that is whatever right here, 0.1 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you can see it's actually reacting good from it. So I can't, trade against the trend until the trend gets broken. That's when I'm gonna crush it. Yeah, when it goes up there, not delete this because I only lost $10 again. I've lost $30 now on my new. I've lost like $40 sorry on my new account. Yeah. So when the price comes here, I want to see what's going to happen. You see how to enter and target this liquidity, this imbalance here. As you can see, the imbalance on the 1 hour, imbalance on the 4 hours, and imbalance on the daily. Yeah, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, obviously. Yeah, that's it. And the main trend, I'm gonna say the main trend is gonna be bearish because had multiple rejections and it was returning down to fill this imbalance here. Just move this 30. Yeah, you're seeing that it's coming here to fill this imbalance right here. This imbalance right here. You're seeing? Yeah, this imbalance was filled halfway, but not to the end. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen then. I I I actually shorted it, thinking it's gonna just come down. So, but maybe it might even come and sweep this high here at this point. Maybe. Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But the main idea is to short. Let's just see after the reaction. We're gonna see the bearish signal and we're gonna enter. We're gonna see you see is it USD JPY? Yeah, let me show you guys the USD JPY trade I actually entered. I entered first in the morning. This was the main trade I entered in the morning. I entered another trade in the afternoon on the 5 minutes. Yeah, which on 5 minutes. I entered it right here. Yeah, stop loss was meant to be at this position, targeting something like 1:2. Well, we could have gotten stopped out, but it was new, so I would have gotten out before then. But now the main idea is that yeah, that's the main idea. Yeah. I moved my stop to BE. Yeah, I moved my stop to BE. So when it retested on this retest, it took me out. But nothing, if it was the main position, yeah, on the main position, I also moved my stop to BE. When this kind of came down here, it stopped me out. Assuming I left it where it was. Let me just, yeah. Assuming I left it here, I'd have still been in the position at least 1 is to something, 1 is to 1.2. Yeah, if I can this high here. Yeah, on EUSD trade, AUD Yeah, this is the trade we're in right now. EUSD. I moved stuff to BE and what's it called? I added another position. So I feel like this is gonna go. Yeah, this position is actually stopping at this place. So I'm gonna get stopped out maybe. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave my main position running for my 5K account. So I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. I pre just comes and starts reversing right now. If it should reverse right now, I'm gonna make a ton of money. A ton of fucking money. Yeah, this trade alone can if this trade works out, I can pass my 5K account. That's not the issue. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna lose like $50. Yeah, 1%. Shit. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. I pray for the best though. Yeah, gold. Let me do some analysis for you guys then. Yeah, gold was a solid trade. Jackson from here. Let me see what gold is doing. Nothing in the 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. This is a solid trade actually. It's a solid trade. Feel this imbalance is coming down. There's an imbalance at the bottom. I don't really know. Yeah, there are actually lots of imbalances in gold. See imbalance everywhere. So everywhere down. You can feel it. But gold is not it's not that kind of pair that actually cares about imbalances. But let's check the other pairs. EURUSD, we have a nice target. DVP card, I left the position. It's actually having a good rejection from here. Should I buy and cover the imbalance? Should I buy? Let me see. Let me see if I should buy. If I should buy. Let me just take profit. I'll just do my analysis and if I should buy, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, risk to reward actually. Can't go for shit. Okay, 1 to 3. Very bad. Very bad. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be it then. The GP card is still gonna go higher, I think. Gonna come to this area. Yeah, like cause it actually has nothing doing. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, gonna come up here. See, at least yeah, most likely come up here, this area here. So here's the JPY. Nice trade. UAG, nice trade. GB card. I left you. AUD USD and GB card. I'm now in AUD USD and GB card. Let's hope these guys work out for the best. Yeah, EDS is actually having a good rejection. Very nice, very nice, very nice. If you can just give me a very nice rejection, I'll be very grateful for to ED USD. So actually, I've seen the good reaction from the zone we had yesterday. We broke trend line, we tested the trend line, but this is a beautiful trade, bro. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hope for the best though. News is coming in how many minutes? News. 10 minutes. Oh, should I close the trading? 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes news. 10 minutes news. High news. Okay, 10 minutes news. Yeah. So for the news, I think for the news, AD USD, Euro USD is actually doing well for the news because if a news should come, the maximum spike would be how many pips? This is what the news can do. Let me see what's gonna happen. 16 pips, so 16 pips from here. Yeah, I should just do maybe in our direction, maybe it's stop loss, but we're gonna hold. Gold ADUSD is not looking like something that's gonna withstand the news at all. ADUSD is not looking like something that's gonna withstand the news if news come. This is actually a very nice trade. An ADUSD. Very nice demand zone. If it just comes like this, it's a very nice trade. But this is also a nice trade also. This one. I would have waited for something for a very deep retracement if I entered this my second trade, but I mean it's not actually very bad. Yeah, but I have waited for a very deep retracement, something like this now. And I ran inside, not something that just you know wicked. Okay, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Let's see the 4 hour trade. That's the problem now. It has not passed this place. It hasn't passed this high of yesterday. This is this high. Yesterday was the third. Yeah, this is yesterday's high. Yeah, it is yesterday's candle. It should just come lower than yesterday's candle, and I'm very, let's say, bold. Yeah, I'm more confident in this trade, but now I'm seeing some kind of rejection from this area. I hope it doesn't reject though. Kind of rejection. Okay. Let me see if I want to close. Actually, if I want to close, yeah, I want to close this trade. After having a very massive rejection at the 1 hour time frame, we're gonna close AUD USD right now. I think we're gonna close, yeah. Okay, so we just closed our AUD USD trade. I'm not looking confident about this trade holding up. Yeah, and even if I was to hold the trade shows the news, I don't think it's gonna withstand the news. Like I can't like turn a blind eye to the trade when I'm seeing it's not gonna work. Because I want it to work. You know, 1 hour trade is actually massive. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna buy now. It's gonna buy. I feel like he didn't respect this kind of our idea. I feel like he didn't respect our idea. Our idea was to sell. We didn't sell with enough momentum. It's kind of in a trend line, not in a trend line, but kind of in a trend line. And then at the bottom, so we're gonna see if we should buy. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna buy. I've closed this trade right now. Okay, it's rejecting. Yeah, it's actually rejecting very well. But still, we'll close the trade. We're out of our buy trade. We're gonna change our mind, turn our head to a new direction. We can't turn our head in the old direction we were looking at before. Let's see. It's 15 minutes. This is in the 15 minutes. Let's look for gaps. Let's look for gaps. Yeah, the problem with this ADUSD trade was actually I was targeting this gap and this gap. Yeah, I didn't target close gaps, nearby gaps. There were no nearby gaps. The nearby gaps now are this gap. So we might come and fill this gap. Yeah, most likely. So a buy is imminent or a buy is reasonable. Yeah, a buy is very reasonable at this point. 1 hour, we have our nice 1 hour demand zone. Not 5 minutes or 15 minutes, 1 hour demand zone. Yeah, let me pull up my volume indicator, volume profile. Yeah, we're seeing that there's a volume here in the market. Let me change unlike this one. Volume, fixed range. Okay. All the volume is here, more or less replaced at this point. Okay, when I buy this pair before the news. No, I think the news is now 5 minutes. Okay, 4 o'clock. Doing well for itself. Oh my god, I don't think I left the street for nothing. Come on, man. And the 5 minutes is actually this is the demand zone. Oof. Fucking hell. I left the street for peanuts. Let's see, guys. Fucking hell. USD is rejecting. This is actually a demand zone. Oh, let's see what the volume is. Should I leave? No, I see no reason to leave USD. I mean, if you this gap, yeah, and there's still a gap on top, yeah, 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 still gap here. There's double top here, liquidity. I feel like Euro USD is gonna do well for itself, but the only doubt I had was Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD because I left this trade. Let me see what GP card did after I left them alone. Yeah, it's still rejecting. Still rejecting. See no reason to complain. Yeah, here's the G prices, the GP card, GPY. Look for 5 minutes trade to enter now. Yeah, let's put this one right here. Really nice volume area. Enough this stuff. These two guys. Turn the fuck off. Yeah, we have nice go up, go down. Nice trade. GP card. GP card is looking good, but GP card, GP card, GP card. I feel like I'm gonna sell to this point. I don't know, I doubt myself sometimes. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this plays. We're gonna see. I think I learned the lesson now. I'm gonna learn it the hard way. But I trust my intuition. I feel like buying, but I don't see a strong enough buy zone. I see a strong sell zone though. Nice. Anyhow, I want to take a nap. Very tired. I don't know why. USD, GP card, USD, JPY, GP, JPY. Yeah, should I wait for? Yeah, I will just wait. You guys should just wait for the news. News in 2 minutes. Let's just stay here. I'm gonna wait for the news together. Mangoes. Yeah, let's just wait for the news in 1 minute. What's gonna happen? AD USD is having now. Okay, we're gonna see. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Even on the 30 minutes, you're seeing a strong demand on the 30 minutes. Even on the 30 minutes, you're seeing a very strong demand, very nice injection. I think that's what made me to come out. But it was more the 1 hour though. More of the 1 hour. So I think it's gonna come to this top here. Or something like that. 2.7. I feel like maybe this can just give more the wicket to fill this gap. Maybe. I feel like I'm trying to buy on 80 USD. Okay, I've entered the buy on 80 USD. We have entered our buys on 80 USD, but we're gonna put a stop loss. We're gonna waste $20. Little money, not much. $20. Shit, the new just tanked. Oh fuck, man. Really tanked also. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Fuck. My account is very exposed. Fuck, don't tank again. Please, let me put a stop loss. Fuck. Put a fucking stop loss. Fucking hell. Please. It just dropped like a needle. Fuck. Don't stop me now, you fucking bitch. Someone went up. What do you call your GPY? Just went up. Just spiked. What the fuck? Imagine I was in the street. Imagine I never left. Imagine. Halfway there. EURUSD and EURUSD GP card. GP card is having a strong buy bias. Yeah. So it just tanked and came up immediately. EURUSD just tanked just now. Fucking hell. EURUSD. Fucking, I don't know, fuck trading, bro. I'm just gonna sleep, bro. Fuck trading. Honestly.